feeling something in his right arm there.
Oh, bicep.
What is going to happen here now? Prodigy and Fame Douglas. Whip against the... Oh, the reversal!
Yeah, baby! Ah!
Oh, my God, not again! That is the fight. Oh, man! Everyone is just motionless. Everyone is quiet. They are standing in awe of this matchup. Fame Douglas and Prodigy right here in the middle of the squared circle. ECWA Summer Brawl 2002. It is a hellacious night tonight. But we still have one match after this even, and it can only get better, folks. A drop kick from the Prodigy as Fame Douglas went for it once again. A move that nearly knocked Prodigy out of his career
Are you alright?
a month ago. Prodigy's by the contract right now. Could he go up there and grab it? Could he win this match and be in control of Fame Douglas's career? Oh, and he goes right back to that midsection. Both these guys are just giving it the ball tonight here, folks. This is one hell of a matchup. I haven't seen anything like that, like this ever. Oh, what a stiff punch right there. Fame Douglas just got a potato right in the head.
That's fun.
What is Prodigy doing? Prodigy's going up to that top rope now. Fame Douglas is going up with him. What the hell could these guys be thinking? No way. Oh! Prodigy goes down all the way. What is Fame Douglas thinking here? What is he thinking? Is that the top rope? No, not a superplex. I just saw the referee fly about 5 feet off the mat. Oh my, both of these guys are giving it their all, folks. You can only see action like this in the ECWA. Summer Brawl 2002, folks. The sun may be going away, but the wrestling action stays.
We can't see it.
All night long. Or something to that effect. Anyway. Fame Douglas right here somehow is back in control of that hellacious super... He said it's it. Look at this.
Oh, no you don't, baby. No you don't.
I think we just saw the end of Prodigy's career. I think we just witnessed the end of the Prodigy. That is just a hangman's DT. A move that is only used in Japan. That is awful. A maneuver like that should not be used in professional wrestling. That is too dangerous. He just dropped Prodigy on top of his frickin' head. Somehow he's getting back up to his feet. I think Prodigy is standing out. He's out of his... He's totally knocked out. He's just standing up because of instincts right now. Oh, he's going for some kind of surprise. Oh no. Could this be the setup for the rolling jackhammer? Another one! Oh no! What is this? What could he possibly be thinking about? That's true. Could this be the third one? He's got him up. Oh, brainbuster right there in the center of the squared circle. Prodigy has just been dropped on his damn head again. The referee's got to put a stop to this match. Just let it be a draw. Oh, I thought Prodigy for a second there had regained some second ability. But he is out on his feet. The referee is trying to help Prodigy to his feet. Prodigy is out where he is. He's out. Oh, and Prodigy somehow is regaining something! How is this? What is this? Oh, man! Oh, my gosh! He just hit him with the big move there! Now he's going up for that contract now. Good! Let's get this match up over with. Prodigy's going up. He can end this match right now. He's reached for that contract and it could be over and the catastrophe can... No, he couldn't possibly be thinking about it. No, grab the contract! Grab the contract! End this catastrophe! These guys are killing themselves! What the heck? Oh my God! Why would he do that? Why would he do that? Prodigy just hit a giant leg drop! And across this ring, he flew about 20 feet through the air! He hit him with a giant elbow drop!